Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ChemiCool. Chemistry is actually very fun and cool. So today is my first lesson for you guys and I'll be talking about some basics of chemistry. So the first topic is matter and its properties. So there are three basic states of matter: solids, liquids and gases. And they also have separate physical and chemical properties. So the states of matter: solid. Solid will always have fixed shape and volume. So, and it will have the particles in solid will be tightly packed and vibrate in place. For example, ice, rocks, and metal. So, ice. In an ice cube, if you know already, the atoms or molecules inside will be very closely and tightly packed. They will have little to no room to move or float around. So same goes for rocks. For example, mountains, if it is made of rocks, the atoms, elements or molecules inside are very tightly and closely packed. So that's why those are rocks. And similarly in any metal, for example iron, metal, the atoms inside the metal are very tightly packed. That's why they are in solid state. But compared to that, in liquid state, the volume will remain fixed, but it will take the shape of its container. For example, if I give you 5 milliliter of water and you add it to a beaker like this, and I give you another beaker which has a shape like this, and you add this 5 ml of water here. Although you have added the same amount, 5 ml and 5 ml in both of these beakers, but the shape is looking different. It's because of the containers. So liquid will always take the shape of the containers, and the particles inside liquid are close together but not as close as in the solid state. And particles or molecules or atoms inside in a liquid can move past one another. For example, when water is in liquid state, the molecules are floating here and there around each other, moving past one another. So there are three examples here for liquid state: water, oil, and milk. So in gaseous state, there will be no fixed volume or shape. For example, if I give you suppose 5 cubic meter of gas, for example 5 meter cube because it's 3D, and you add it to a cylinder like this, and you add it to another cylinder like this. Suppose another one which would be a bigger one, for example a cylinder much bigger than this one. So this 5 meter cube of gas, for example nitrogen gas, will take the entire space filled with this, and again here in this one. Although this has 5 meter cube, this is smaller than this cylinder here, but still the nitrogen gases will be floating very randomly inside this container or cylinder, and will also be taking the entire space of this bigger one as well. So particles in gaseous state move very freely and far apart from each other, and for example the oxygen gas, carbon dioxide, and steam. So yeah, that's so far today, and in the next lesson I'll be talking to you about how different the physical and chemical properties are in solid, liquid, and gaseous states. Thank you so much, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe.